would like to offer my sincere gratitude to UT for building such a good future for me. 9.6 CGPA was not a piece of cake. Without the precious efforts of UT faculties, it would have not been possible for me to accomplish my goal. The test series at UT were the best revision process. They not only helped us to rate our performance, but they also helped us to revise.
First of all, I would like to thank UT Universal Tutorials for organizing such a great event to inspire all the students who have scored above 90%, and seeing us, other students will get motivated. UT has been a great support in making us help to get such a great result. The doors of UT have always been open if we had any doubt.
I would like to thank UT for its kind cooperation and support. Due to my sports activities, I could not attend UT lectures, but UT supported me by conducting extra lectures.